So I'm going to be teaching Total Core Repatterning. This is a course to really understand and go deeper with repatterning. Repatterning is the best thing in Brain Gym. Changes lives. You're going to learn deeper core repatterning procedures, how to integrate reflexes, how to move and think and with all the meridians. Touch for Health meridians brings Touch for Health and Brain Gym together, and when this comes up in your balances, you'll really be able to help people. So don't miss this class.